Today I'm going to show you how to set up Tradecopia. At first you have to open your web browser and search for Tradecopia. Then open their official page. Once you're in, click on the Sign Up and Get Started button to create a new account. Next, enter your email address, create a password and confirm your details. After signing up, check your email inbox and verify your account using the link Tradecopia sends to you. Next, you have to log in into your account. Then you will be taken to the dashboard. Click on the Connect Exchange or API Settings button. Choose the supported exchange and go to your exchange account. Create an API key and make sure trading is enabled but withdrawals are turned off for safety. Copy the API key and secrets and then paste them into Tradecopia and save it. Now, once your exchange is connected, choose a trading strategy or bot. Select the marketing, trading or pair that you want to trade. Then adjust the basic settings like trade size and risk level. After reviewing everything, you have to activate the bot. That was all. That's how you can set up Tradecopia. Thank you for watching.